This is a video tour of Carpenter Creek Road, the 70 acres. It's listed in Forest Grove, Oregon. As you'll see, there's some pink marking tape. As we go through the shots, the property was recently surveyed as some of the logging did end up encroaching on some Stimson land. We are currently working with the listing agent to verify exactly where the property lines are, but I took some good video of the pink flags up here so we can see it when we want to reference it on any phone calls. So right now I'm standing up above number 1 on the attached map. So the red lines are a new road that's put in. That landing right there is number 1 on the attached map. So I'm walking over. If you're looking at the attached map right now, I would be walking to the right on that map and looking down to the gully that runs all the way from number 5 all the way up the hill to the top of the hill, which is where I'm standing right now for this shot. So just wanted to get some close-ups so you can see kind of the reprod that's in there. And they did replant this property already. They're going to be doing another replant here soon, obviously just because some of the smaller trees have been damaged. So that again, landing 1 right there, and I am up above that currently. Now I'm standing on landing 1 looking back up the hill to where I was standing previously, and right now I'm walking right across landing 1, and this is looking down into the gully below on the attached map of number 5. So that is another shot of that ravine down in there. And this is the road that I drew with red lines, and we're gonna go down that. So right now I'm going down the road where the red lines are drawn on the attached map, and I'm gonna be going down to landing 2. It is pretty steep up here. This road that I'm shooting right now goes over to number 3 on the attached map. And we're back on the red line road, still heading down to landing 2. This should be from landing 2. Just panning around so you can see the gully and then looking back up the hill to where we came from, which was landing 1 up there. And now we are going from landing 2 to landing 3 on the road, which you should be able to see in the attachment. This is from landing 3, looking back up to where I took the very first shot of this video. And this is aiming left on the attached map towards the neighbor's property. So none of the aerial maps show the logging that's been done, but obviously this is the most up-to-date picture here. And then again, this is again from landing 3, looking back towards landing 2. And right now we're on the road from landing 3 back to landing 2. I saw some elk tracks along the way, so I just wanted to document those, that there definitely is some active activity going on there. And this is looking over to number 6. And I saw some really good tracks along the road that goes from the access road that number 4 is kind of labeled on over to number 6. Number 6, I think, used to be an old logging road and it just dead ends, which is where I was standing right there. Now I am back on the road by landing, or off landing 6, heading down to number 4 on the attached map. And this is at number 4, so where I'm standing right here looking down to number 5. Now I'm on the road from number 4 to number 5, heading down towards the ravine. And there was animal tracks all over in here. We saw some deer, elk, and I thought I saw a cougar track, but I wasn't 100% certain. So right now I'm at number 5 on the map, and there is a little stream that goes down this hill right here, which I've got a shot of later. And here's some of those mixed tracks as well, where you can see the elk and deer. This is the stream flowing right now. We are sitting here in April, so pretty reasonable flow. We haven't had a ton of rain lately. And then this is from number 5, but looking to the right, if you're on the attached map, to the neighbor's property, which should be Thompson Tree Farm. This is one of the conflicting areas where we're not sure if it's on the property or not, but I'll follow up with the information soon.